It's me, Fred the House Cat. When my family leaves...
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Calhoun County in south-central Michigan, Jackson County in south-central Michigan, Hingham County in south-central Michigan, southeastern Eden County in south-central Michigan, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mason to 10 miles south of Eaton Rapids to near Burlington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lansing, Jackson, Albion, Mason, Eaton Rapids, East Lansing, Williamston, Leslie, Homer, Stockbridge, Brooklyn, Grass Lake, Burlington, Vandercook Lake, Leone, Spring Arbor, Napoleon, Sandstone, Aurelius, Onondaga. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
We help these little guys, and we can plant a garden for all.